And concerning DsTV and celebrities, Sam George as a bedi draw. Sam George a bedi draw. Our comedy and celebrities. Over the capital to be man of Sam George. In fact, on Pagana for you natural no account of Hunu and the come for so Pia. What are you? Devia why you could talk with Sam George? You could die, could die. What are you? Sam George, you could die. Busy. And so say. Come on to the move. You want to the watch Amame. Ever comment section. I have Penyah block media. Mess was a need you. Obey like if you do not have a subscribe button. It's not back the cable notification icon for latest updates. Time to the watch and the Amame. Ever comment section. Mess was Baswa. No watch a video more for us and be ashe. And among Ghana, your problem or hanging nine. Sam George to see DsTV prices, DsTV subscription prices. And no, and Sam George prioritize here. As any Ghana for you here. There's a view as I'm going to catch Sam George. What are there? Among problems that cause Ghana hanging day. Sam George actually say Ghana here dear Cassie, a DsTV subscription say a member form. And it was starting no more contoka. Only multi choice. For the past 2 months in the Sam George, you don't go back and forth. I'm gonna get a phone call both say Sam George, Yamtre. Cratch. And you're waiting at Twabama more. Sam George, I don't then we back to make them. Oh, by yeah. One out there to go to Parliament. A group at the time. What would call Parliament? Where you were as a new hawk. Monkan will Sam George just asking them to choice. I couldn't talk. I said, okay, I make DsTV price more better. So if you say Nigeria, how are model packages in the price of more woman? Yet Ghana and then fact, yet the award in 80 months so. I'm not Ghana for crown egg kept by Sam George Ekas will meeting by your corner on Bay meeting 4th July. Emma Sam George Ekas is soon paying as a meeting, we know. So Mushia, or no her meeting, oh, they will never end the meeting until say multi choice every margin say on better to more any muscle.
Last week, I invited the senior leadership of MultiChoice Ghana to a formal dialogue on DsTV's subscription pricing in Ghana. The meeting addressed public concerns about affordability, value for money, and fairness in service delivery. I made it clear the ministry's expectation that pricing structures must be responsive to Ghana's economic context. I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow, Friday, even though it's a public holiday, with the Ghana team and their South African counterparts. The management from South Africa. They arrived tonight to agree on a way forward on the issues raised. The outcomes will be shared with the public in due course. This engagement reflects our commitment to regulatory accountability and our resolve to ensure that digital services in Ghana remain fair, accessible, and responsive to the needs of citizens. I make you one promise. I won't leave tomorrow's meeting without securing a drop in the pricing of DsTV. That is a solemn promise I make to you.
Emma Ghana for a 20 year trim. It is a Mushia, you know. Coinsima and a sound or any cabal want to make us after meeting multi choice, no, multi choice actually say now, no, or more any aqua agreement and como or ready to unpackage so any other day. Later, says sound nobody throw. Later, and I multi choice edit communicate about when I say massa. Yeah, can't say to be as we crash it. Yeah, can't be, you know, say sound never come on to any hair. Oh, to please sound your now you had ye catch it, elbow. That no Sam George every huna man Ghana for son or we can another part and gas and right and Sam George the final verdict on DsTV's SM or side buy and which and on the buy Nana can expectation monthly subscriptions no a boy be buffer said na Sam George enumu kunto kwan and ka boy no e be buffer nanso we dey e boy na ama for mu Sam George them said the way data bundle no or yeah who did they say oh be better so 1st July born be buffer no e boy na ntima buffer na mum no de na eso so akese no 4 million de no eno de bando no kakra ka ho ba ma mo to 162 de basa e ko de gina sebi ada DsTV no so akoye wanti buano so na mu kire mu se package no you know ena we bi akeka ho.
The new arrangements effective from 1st October 2025 are as follows. For those who are on the Paddy Bouquet subscription, you currently pay 59 Ghana cedis. When you pay 59 Ghana cedis, you get upgraded automatically to Access, which is valued at 99 Ghana cedis, and you get 35 more channels. This represents a 40% savings. if you were to pay for the access yourself. Second bouquet, access, currently going at 99 Ghana cedi. If you retain your access bouquet at 99 Ghana cedi, MultiChoice will bump you up to the family bouquet, which is currently priced at 190 Ghana cedis. You get 19 more channels, which means that if you were to stay on access and get bumped up, for the value you get, you make a savings of 48%. If you're on the family package, which is currently valued at 190 Ghana cedis, DsTV will automatically bump you up to compact, which ordinarily goes for 380 Ghana cedis. You get 22 more channels and actually get access to live football matches. So anybody on the family package which previously didn't get live football matches would automatically get live football matches. The value savings on this, 50%. Compact, currently going at 380 Ghana cedis, gets bumped up automatically to Compact Plus, which is priced at 570 Ghana cedis. You get 12 more channels in addition, and the value savings, 33%. Compact Plus, valued at 570 Ghana cedis. You pay that, you're automatically bumped up to Premium, which goes at the price of 865 cedis. You get 18 more channels and a value of 34%. For those who remain on their Premium bouquet, which is priced at 865 Ghana cedis, you will still get all the content on the Premium flagship, the flagship Premium bouquet, but you also get an automatic entry into the competition for the chance to win a fully paid trip to watch selected English Premiership games. But this is, as well as you know, subject to terms and conditions. There is no restriction on a subscriber's choice of a bouquet. The offer is available to both existing and new customers from 1st of October 2025. Effectively, MultiChoice has offered value over and above what we expected of them. I went into this with a request for 30%. With what we have discussed here, the lowest is 33%, the highest is 50%. And I extend my warmest gratitude to the MultiChoice team for that.
Emma SoundJudge, ebe can same way. Kwensi ma. Ana MultiChoice, as I dey communicate about when say Master SoundJudge, enkoje ni mo nyamo na anya adwuma bia krache, wo nya ehwe. We no ya ga say promotion package, ene e dey ma Ghana for. It is no package is a SoundJudge ebe trouble na so ya no achi no. Package is SoundJudge bia na so ya. Say your MultiChoice anga so na akọ adwum so o meso ma Ghana for promotion. It will run the promotion from now to 31st December. After that, you know, everything is back to normal. Factory reset, back to default. SoundJudge abedi mu anu monyam. Enu mu ana media na some say ehiri ha. SoundJudge say we twa tro kire sa. In the first place, look as so better to so. Wait man to so. Second yi omo no running promotion. O dey no so beja anu monyam. Eni sumo dey be we media na so. Omo di SoundJudge ma papa o ma hwe de pay yi.
SoundJudge any DsTV. Yeah, me say me ko Kumasi. Driver na say uko Kumasi a mejo 200 cedis. And I'm sending boarding. Driver na say o there be o there tenem. Na o traka num ni edu Kumasi a metime de watwam kra komankranso. Me de obetwam akomankranso. Na se mato so no. Na nye bia maka che driver say me ko ede o mankranso. Me nka say me ko mankranso. Me si me ko Kumasi. Mankranso so nye Kumasi fie. Honorable SoundJudge. Oh. What status I do me catch me you are sure me kai say omo share me Facebook nyina me try to Facebook can say honorable Ghana for nyina tawachi dokwana oni DsTV for kono because me so mentia se the DsTV for Ghana for scanner omoje no nti it was a good cause but our approach no na wrong mekan me tro to Facebook nti obi a we come Facebook wo bia obehu asema mekan nya asam foforo enye first time ambeka asem say me de in as much as me ne ya adwen say DsTV for bu Ghana for no na approach no wrong. And the minister so be press conference or by say you know omo be my 30 to 40%. May take 30 to 40%. There may chance a material reduction. After them I say 30 to 40% a content upgrade. Yeah, the be hunto or compact plaza automatically upgrade you and if you can say into more food bouquet, so you upgrade your mark. Package, you know, who food bouquet, it means that who access to BB at DSTV for show. And this is a food bouquet. Now, I will say, Obama me content upgrade of 30 to 40%. I know me be ready. Dear the Baba, I did a Baba come. Honorable, where do you Ghana for a pow? Hey, wait, pa, there. My first impression, pan, I'm Ghana for you. Then he said, Papa, he said, I will see an idiot. And the idea is if one match is where you say, one there, body. Casa qua. Anabu Jata. Anabu Jata. Yay. Erade. Said the Jatan is boom, the Ananka and Mrs. Abri. Kabibiau. And now surprising the NT house you. Almost 1 week now, 1 week at you know. I feel there. And a Nigeria for the and a pirate, you know, and a ABC are known at Obian Sma. Obian Sma. GTP cry. Oh, free to comfort as you could judge China from. Hey, Honorable Sam George. But Honorable to me, Mum Ghana for anybody who buy your package in a 7 year. Yes, Monteso. Send a wow, see kind. Say, I told you 3 years, so we won't accept anything less than that. Over to you.
Let me also tell my brother Sam George, talk is cheap. Trust me, talk is very cheap. You can do all the talking, you can raise your muscles, do whatever, but trust me, people stand on the law. Investors, when they come into this country, they look for fine lawyers. Engage them. They look for fine consultants, marketing consultants, engage them. They look for tax experts, engage them. That's a serious investor's approach. So when you come out with threats, they don't care. They also go into the back room and consult their people. What do we do? What's the way? So it becomes a battle. So you need an approach that, of course, will also put you on top notch. And you were lucky because the public were with you.
Yeah.
So all you needed to do was to water the ground properly with the public. Okay, find a way of getting the public to issue statements through some, if like civil societies, saying that look, our interests ought to be safe, otherwise we are all going off your boxes. When they see that, they say, then it means these guys are serious. You didn't do that work. All you did was, I will take you off. NCA is going to take you off by 1 month. We're going to do this.
I think there were some sanctions.
Only for you to come last minute, sit down and tell us that, oh, your bouquet, when you pay 865 Ghana cedis, you are now going to enjoy more channels.
When in reality,
Does
we know
more
that
channel mean the reduction?
but in reality, in Ghana, really, nobody's watching those other channels.
I'm coming to that.
Or watching
Me,
football.
my house, when I subscribe to DsTV, the best I get from is my kids watching cartoons. Because I don't even sit at home.
Right.
I'm traveling here and there. That's the best I may even get. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Either my wife watching Big Brother, whatever. Finish. That ends it. When you come, your best is to do your football. When there's a live match that you need to look
or
at.
news.
So apart from that, when you coming to tell me now that there are going to be more channels for me, I don't even know what channels you are talking about.
True.
You get what I mean? So I think Sam George should take a cue from this. We, the young people in politics, coming up, with a great of respect, the exuberance should be checked. Don't try to do things to let your bosses feel you are working, only to disappoint them in the end.
Sometimes it's important to know if these actions have the blessing of the boss. Because you see, this was happening at a time where the boss, i.e. the president, was in Japan, Singapore, looking to woo investors into Ghana.
Good. These are the things I'm talking about. You see, I mentioned bilateral relation between us and South Africa because South African companies come here, our companies go there, all this is exchange. You understand? And I also mentioned that indeed the public is with you. True. And you needed to ensure that you carry the public along. Only for you now to come and tell us that our value is good. Is that what the public told you they wanted? Is that what we told you? We, the subscribers, that you're fighting for? Is that what we told you wanted? Extra bouquet, extra value? So I think Sam George should actually bow his head down. I'm going to be a bit harsh to him today. He's my good friend. Bow his head down in shame. For God's sake, he has not succeeded in anything. It's not an achievement.
Very well.
At all. It's not.
DsTV for Sam George. I go be na muni edino. You brio. Masa, more reduce. What is this promotional package na mo dia brand? Say if you are using the Padia, who upgrade here, the Obeko access, who use accessor, who subscribe to the accessor, the Obeba family. Say if you pay for family, they are going to put you at compact. Who pay for compact, they will put you at compact plus. Then when you pay for compact plus, they will put you at premium. Masa, and a promotional package and your reduction. Hope you used to DsTV behind himself from time to time. DsTV for this promo. Yes, monte so. Majority of Ghanaians only use compact. Compact is 380 cedis. Into no more if you want them to pay for the price of family, among us more reduce compact from 380 to 190. And no tomorrow when we wake up near who say what's also the aqua 380 I can add in a DsTV for more increase the price. But I'm the moment maintain the price, you know. Now catch them say mint here for family. Now they make compact. That's not the promotional way package. Anything that will minister no Bernard Avle say promotional package wait till when I say after 3 months move review. Massa. Hey, Ghana for move forget your mo. Don't forget DsTV ni minister ni na Sam George. Me no one a bobo wo Joel. Osa ko Perez Chapel Joel branch. Master Bawe there. No. This is not what Ghanaians are looking for. This is not what you promise Ghanaians. We're a promotional package and your reduction. Ghana for move to DsTV package in 20 baby. Open social media. Go and pay for Netflix. You can pay just a little amount and ubet me the nipa for atoso or even more. Mo amube TV no. Mo compare this TV stakes abana na online platform na mo fa share. Mo boy quality DsTV service no. Ye bi abiro. Honorable Sam George pa. Some mo reduce ya license ni mo. And then na only wakwe baako na ade asesia you are going round to work with them to maybe come after those using Nigeria box massa. Sir, you are the Minister of Communication, Digitalization. There are a lot of work to do. One more way automate. Almost your money, yeah. Just service and not forget your money. Charlie, I'm out. Guys, leave your comment. No more DsTV. Promotional package. They're saying your price reduction. Hey, Charlie, guys, I'm out. Charlie, leave your comment.
Look, the Nigerians didn't even have to wait for a minister to make a directive. They got a reduction. And the Nigeria reduction was not this. So all of us were expecting that they would announce a price reduction for each bundle. So this seems to be like a different way of, I don't know. So the expectation of the public has been completely, it's almost like an anticlimax.
Well, I don't know where you're getting that from, but from what I have monitored, and people who are real DsTV subscribers, the messages I've gotten and the feedback I've gotten, this is a game changer for people. Because people who have hitherto discarded their boxes can simply pick up their boxes and reconnect and pay close to what they used to pay previously. Don't forget that, take for example, and on that compact, which is again where the chunk of the subscribers are. Today, if you were paying 380, you're paying 190. And this is not a 1 month promo. The terms and conditions are completely different. It cannot be said.
Why 3 months? If this
why what is 3 months?
Why is this for just 3 months?
I haven't said it's for 3 months. In the statement, we said that what we've done is we've set up a pricing review committee that will meet every 3 months.
Correct.
Okay, so we've not said that this is for 3 months.
Okay, so
we are going to evaluate the conditions and continue every 3 months. And don't forget, that committee is not just looking at pricing, it's also looking at cross-border piracy.
All right.
So there are a number of issues we're dealing with.
You're saying that this is in perpetuity?
This is the new pricing. There is no...
For what period of time?
It's effective 1st of October.
Till when?
We've not put an expiry date on it.
When the committee meets again in 3 months, will they review this?
Well, that is if there is a need for it. But the reason why they are going to be meeting is to review the progress made on cross-border piracy.
Okay.
He's not fighting. No, he didn't fight for us. What he promised he will fight for us is the reduction value for money, which is the cash aspect. Look, what if I don't even need those extra contents? I don't need it. I just want to have what I have, but I want it reduced. And that is what he promised us. Nobody asked the minister to come up and tell us that he's going to get. He even threatened to take the license away from multi-choice. I said in the beginning, he has no power to take the license because as long as DsTV hasn't actually gone contrary to the terms of agreement that they signed, you can't do that. And it's even dangerous for foreign investment that government would intervene. Look, I said that in various platforms that it would have been a lot easier. Let the customers or the consumers agitate and have a discussion with DsTV and tell DsTV that if you do not reduce, we will switch it off in protest or boycott.
Sam George, DsTV now also what it is. Charlie, which can crocodile the John movements be that? Charlie, Ghana politicians, it be like Ghana for now, because we know they ask questions. We any attitude, honey, I did. Omo mujina bayanes ono, omo yaka crazy. Yes, say Sam George. Ye ton Coco 5 CD. Coco no bo eden. Into Kokano monte so my. Hey, edi on better so. We may make sure some better so because Nigeria for Coco no e form and better so. I promise Ghanaians. Then assembly they see ya. She see some person ma catch am say. Coco dey into me so be na emu no. Oto no, oto aye de kosi we kan. Sam George anka say ye pe kosi. My Coco na netisumai. So when you are on the former compact, then now you get 30 more channels. Sam George just raw channel be any we are say does TikTok. You know how many channels are on TikTok? TikTok you call me with DsTV no monte so na more data no money stable na monte data so channels and the aka in ebe here TikTok. TV station be anywhere. I had the same TikTok this year. In TSA, monte na DsTV apart from born then you hear also. More than 30 more channels every count. Born on here also. You 30 more channels. We want a reduction. With all honesty, I'm not happy with this kind of bargain. It looks as if anytime the politician gets the opportunity to bargain on behalf of its citizens, not acquired to say some selfish interest, be also selfish personal interest, be they go in with 90% of their personal interest. Now, Charlie. Oh, Brad Sam George, this one, I don't know. This particular one, it no be reduction. We can't call this a reduction. We can't, no.
Chida wa dwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Agra.